Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Amazing Physics. Friends, we will observe to our home. In construction process, first we will build some pillars, then slab, then walls, then tiles, current, etc. If you want to destroy your house, just you will disturb your house pillars, then house will be fall. Here, pillars are base in your house. Without that pillars, your house not stable. Similarly, physics have some base units or fundamental units. We will discuss these quantities in this lecture. Let's get started. Okay, we will discuss each these base quantities exact meaning how scientists are taken these quantities. Okay, first one is length. This unit is meter. When we are looking to universe, light is moving from one point to another point. This light is traveled from sun to our earth. That distance traveled by this light in vacuum 1 upon 29 crore 97 lakhs 92,458 second is called 1 meter. It means in our universe light is moving very speed, approximately 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. If you divide 1 by this much long numerical value, it tells 1 meter. This unit introduced in 1983. Second one is mass. This unit is kg. In 1889, cylindrical shaped platinum iridium alloy kept at International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Serves near Paris of France. In that time, the cylindrical shape given 1 kg. Third one is time. Its unit is second. Yes. The second is the duration of 9,192,631,770 periods of the radiation corresponding to transition between the two hyper fine levels of the ground state of the cesium 133 atom. This definition discovered in 1967. I think you are not understand. Here, this much long number says frequency. Frequency means number of cycles occur in a second, F equal to 1 by T. Cesium 133 is a high frequency radio isotope. If you want to T, time is equal to 1 upon frequency. If you put frequency value in this denominator, we will get in 1 second. I hope you got it. Okay, fourth one is electric current. Its unit is ampere. The ampere is that constant current which, if maintained in two straight parallel conductors of infinite length of negligible circular cross section and placed 1 meter apart in vacuum, would produce between these conductors a force is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 newtons per meter of length. This unit introduced in 1948. We will discuss this one in EMT chapter. Fifth one is thermodynamics temperature. Its unit is Kelvin. It's introduced in 1967. The Kelvin is the fraction of 1 upon 273.16 of the thermodynamic temperature of the triple point of water. Triple point means in this point water will be act as the three states: solid, liquid and gas states. Triple point of water is 0.01 degrees Celsius or 273 0.16 Kelvin or 32.01 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. The sixth one is amount of substance. Its unit is mole. The mole is the amount of substance of a system which contains as many elementary entities as there are atoms in 0.012 kilogram of carbon 12. This SI unit introduced in 1971. Last one is luminous intensity. Its unit is candela CD. In a given direction of a source that emits monochromatic radiation of frequency 540 into 10 to the power of 12 Hz and that has a radiant intensity in that direction of 1 upon 683 watt per steradian. This one introduced in 1979. Here steradian I used. We will discuss little later in this video. We will use this one, then we will find brightness of light. 1 lumen is equals to 1 upon 1256th of candle power. These 7 are fundamental units. Then we will go to derived units. Those quantities can be expressed in terms of fundamental physical quantities are called derived physical quantities. Example, speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance unit is meter, time unit is second. Therefore, speed is equal to meter per second, like this example. See this table, I mentioned some important units of physical quantities. We will discuss these quantities in upcoming videos. Finally, supplementary units. Two supplementary units are there. Those are plane angle and solid angle. Plane angle, the ratio of subtended arc length on circle radius. Plane angle is equals to arc length upon radius. It means theta is equal to L upon R. See this diagram. Circle has 2 pi radians. Second one is solid angle. Ratio of subtended area on sphere to the square of radius. Solid angle is equals to area upon radius square. Sphere has 4 pi steradians. Okay guys, I hope you learned some new things in today's lecture. We will meet again in next video. Guys, save tree and save nature. Thank you, thank you, thank you.